What are you annoying you? I'm taking some money now. So if another one drops down, your mama gets it. Okay. Hello. You just preen away. Your dad's off on a mission to find his balls, probably. No. He's going to get his headphones. Because my mum will go in the shower in a minute. I'll be asking your dad if he's going to the toilet before I go in the shower.
That wasn't George.
Is that you? Is that you? I tried to do that one earlier, didn't I? Foot rub. Foot rub. You like your foot rubs? Hello. Good boy. Good boy. Where is it? There it is. Hello. Hello. There you are. There's you. There you go. Foot rub. Hello. Hey. Hello. Hello, gorgeous. Hey. You good boy. You good boy. You good boy. Are you a good boy, Max? Huh? Are you a good boy? You're a good boy. Yes, you are. You're a good boy for Mama. You're a good boy for your mum, aren't you? Foot rub. You like your tootsies rubbed, don't you? Huh?
I'm just trying to get him in frame, but all I'm getting is the phone. Because this is going on Max's channel.
There you go. I'm getting wrong for putting the phone in the way. Mama's always getting wrong for something.
I didn't tell you off, I was just letting you know.
He doesn't know. Yeah, I was getting told off. He's like, but why, Mum? You've done nothing wrong, Mum. He goes, you shouldn't get wrong, Mummy. You've done nothing wrong. I know, darling. Hello. You're a brave boy, aren't you? You're a brave boy. You're a good boy.
You're a good boy, Max. You're a good boy. He's a good boy. Max a good boy. Max is gorgeous.
Foot rub. Foot rub. Foot rub. Foot rub. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. I love you. Love you.
He's Mama's baby boy. He's the luckiest birdie in the world, having two mummies and one daddy. Maxes. You going to introduce your brothers and your brother and sister on your channel on this, off your other mummy's channel for you? Hey?
Hello. Hi, gorgeous. Hello, baby. Hello. Hello. Hello, gorgeous. Hi. Hi. I'll let you out at some point when your dad will let me. It's at your work past Malton, isn't it? He's like, you have no idea, Mum. Is it annoying, Malton? Is it annoying growing feathers? He goes, it's a pain in the bum. You are lovely. You are lovely. You are. You are beautiful. You are. You are beautiful. Yes. You are beautiful. Who's a good boy? Who's a lovely boy? Who's a lovely boy? You're sitting next to Mummy, aren't you? You never sit next to your dad, though. You never sit next to your dad, though. Yes, that's you. There you go. Kiss your foot. I kiss your foot. Foot rub. You let Mummy kiss your foot. Again. You let Mummy kiss your foot again. Eh? Did you let Mummy kiss your foot again?
Good boy.
You're the only one I'll kiss, mind. Because their feet's stinky. They're horrible yak. Yours isn't. Your feet are lovely. Theirs is stinky.
Feathers are so vibrant through the camera. You can see every feather on his head.
Well, I hope so.
No, I mean on the camera you can actually see every feather on his head.
Hello.
Wow.
Apparently you can see every feather on your head. You say, well, I hope so. If I'm going bald like me dad, I'm going to worry.
You know how the camera never does it justice?
Damn
Well,
glasses.
the camera does do it justice for him because his colours are
Mummy's
so
glasses
vibrant.
got in the way. Yeah, he's definitely growing new feathers in. Because he's itching. That's you. But I know what to do. I know what to play for you. You know that sound, don't you? Yeah, you know that sound, don't you? That's your brother and sisters somewhere. That's where you actually came from. Yeah. He goes, Mummy, you're good to me. They sound like you, don't they, baby? Yeah, they sound like you. They sound like you. They're quiet compared to the other one, Wad. Hello. Hello. Hello, handsome. Hi. Hello.
He's a gorgeous boy.
You want tum-tums?
Gorgeous
If you want tum-tums, you have to stand still for tum-tums. You have to stand still for tum-tums. I can't do tum-tums if you're moving. Because I know you like your tum-tum touched. I know you like your tum-tum touched. I can't rub your tum-tum if you're moving around. If you want your tum-tum rubbed, you have to stay still. If you want your tum-tum. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. I knew you wanted your tum-tum rubbed. You like it when Mummy rubs your tum-tum and your tail. Your daddy doesn't interact with you, does he? No. There you go. That's your tum-tum rub. There you go. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hello. What am I doing? I'm interacting with you. I'm talking to you. Yeah. I love you. Mummy love you. I love you. Love Max. Love Max. What am I doing? Well, if you want tummy rub, you're going to stand still if you want tummy rub. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. You had your tummy rub. Good boy. Good boy, you had your tummy rub. You stayed still long enough for a tummy rub. And to have your foot kissed. Yeah, you're the only foot I'll kiss because theirs is yucky, it's stinking, horrible, disgusting and cheesy. Don't see their feet, they're horrible. They're yucky and smelly.
Oh, your dad's does, mine don't.
Oh, they do. Now smell your feet. Wow.
That's if I've worn my boots all day. Everybody's feet smell when they've been wearing the shoes all day.
That's why I take mine off as soon as I walk in. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi.
And this is Max's video.
Did you like that? Did you like that? Did you like that? You like getting tummy rubs, don't you? So does your dad, but on a completely different level. He likes sausage rubs. You just like tummy rubs, he likes sausage rubs. You like kissy feet, he likes kissy something else. On a totally different level. Yeah, your daddy's rude. I know. Love you, dear. Love you, baby.
Hello, darling. Hello, baby.
Yeah.
Your other mummy's doing your video, your channel off your other mummy. Yeah,
Because
you got two channels.
you're so confusing me now. You go, that camera's on me and it's annoying me now. What, you want a break?
I went from this day something like he normally does.
And what's that?
That, what he's just done. Or what, did it sound more clear? There you go, right. Love you, Max.
That was hello.
I know. Love you.
You can't quite say love you yet.
Love you, baby.
Maximus. He's like, what am I doing? I'm talking to you. I know your dad doesn't interact with you like I do.
No, he's too busy ready to stay awake or doze off.
And where is he?
He's in between.
Me and you've got a little bond going on here, haven't we? Me and you've got a little bond going here.
I love
You've
him
become
so
very
much.
brave with me lately. Yeah, you're talking to me a lot. Yeah. Hello. Hi. Hi. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hello. Foot rub. There you go, foot rub.
Love you, Max.
I want to go in the bath. I want to go in the shower.